Trump has imposed new double-digit tariffs on at least 60 of America's trading partners, including India, China, and the United Kingdom, claiming that they have inadequately enforced ban on goods produced by forced labor. The US will impose taxes ranging from 10% to 12.5% on imports from these nations, which critics say are a part of the president's broader campaign to reduce Americans' reliance on imports. The White House, in its order, said that countries such as China, the United Kingdom, Japan, that do not have any law barring the import of goods produced with forced labor rather than buying products made by higher paid American workers will face tariffs of 12.5%. Nations that enforce such laws, including India, Sri Lanka, and the European Union, will be hit with 10% levies if they fail to enforce them. Some US imports, like products governed by the US-Mexico-Canada Agreement and oil and gas, have been exempted from the new taxes. The Trump administration's latest tariffs blitz takes effect on 12 a.m. on Friday, the same moment as the temporary 10% import tax he enforced earlier expires. The measure was introduced after a February Supreme Court judgment that invalidated Trump's so-called Liberation Day tariffs introduced in April 2025. Team Trump claimed that the latest action stemmed from President Donald Trump's long-standing opposition to involuntary labor. According to a report by the Washington Post, the Trump administration within weeks is expected to introduce another set of tariffs that will apply to goods from countries that subsidize excess manufacturing capacity, resulting in a flood of low-cost products on global markets that US companies can't match. The flurry of activity comes as Trump appears eager to pull every measure he can identify to rebuild the tariff wall the Supreme Court broke in February, using laws considered less vulnerable to legal challenge than the rushed approach he employed last year.